everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, because it's almost Independence Day and barbecue season is upon us, we're gonna make this amazing and delicious Amish style potato salad. I did a little research, I found out a lot of information, and I'm gonna share it with you today. So let's go see how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making Amish style potato salad. Now, I do not say that lightly. I did a lot of research. Now you see, like, Amish potato salad definitely is a thing. It all starts with this very complicated, if you believe that or not, it's very complicated cooked salad dressing that begins with beaten eggs and sugar and milk and butter, and then it's cooked all together until it's thick like a pudding. It's cooled, and then it's mixed with mayonnaise, and it has that sweet and tangy flavor. It also has some mustard in it. What I'm really feeling is when I look at all those ingredients, that was kind of like Miracle Whip. That would be the same flavor almost that you would get from Miracle Whip. So I believe that the Amish potato salad dressing may have been the inspiration for the original Miracle Whip, which came on the market in the early 30s. But today we're going to make an Amish style potato salad that does not involve a cooked dressing. We've kind of eliminated all of that mess. But I have 3 pounds of white potatoes that I actually cubed before I cooked them in boiling water for about 10 minutes until they were just fork tender. They're perfect consistency for potato salad. After I drain them, I rinse them with cold water and I put them on a baking sheet just to cool a little more quickly. They are currently at room temperature. We're also going to be using 4 hard-boiled eggs. Now, 3 whole hard-boiled eggs and 1 hard-boiled egg white, because this egg yolk that you're going to reserve out is how we're going to infuse the dressing with that eggy flavor that you would have gotten had you gone through the process of cooking that dressing. We're also going to be using very typical flavor ingredients for an Amish style dressing. You're going to start off with a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup each of mayonnaise and sour cream, as well as a 1/2 cup each of diced onion and chopped celery, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, that's just plain old sandwich mustard, and a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt, ground black pepper, and celery seed. I'm going to mix everything in this bowl, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab my egg yolk. I'm going to put the chopped eggs in here. And then we're going to make our dressing. We have this egg yolk. So just mash up your egg yolk. Let's get this the sugar in here. And then let's also mash this together, because that sugar is also going to help to further break down the egg yolk. And I know this seems really weird, but I think in the end you're really going to enjoy the flavors. You see how this is almost looking sandy? Let's go ahead and add our cider vinegar, and let's stir that up until that sugar dissolves. I'm also going to add the yellow mustard in here. In with all of our spices, salt, pepper, celery seed. It's already smelling very reminiscent of that sweet and sour flavor. We're going to add our mayonnaise and our sour cream, and we're going to whisk this together. You can adjust the amount of mustard in there, but you see the color, and if you think about the color of Amish potato salad that you buy at the deli, this is pretty spot on. So let's bring over our potatoes and our eggs. We're going to add our celery in here and our onion. Before we move forward, I'm going to just give this a little bit of a turn with the spatula to incorporate the egg and the vegetables. And I have chosen to leave the skin on my potatoes. You, of course, can peel yours if you like. That's entirely up to you, and that's a really personal preference. Let's get all of this dressing in there. And then let's just toss this gently. Now you can see there looked like there was a lot of dressing, but it's not like sinking to the bottom, and it's absorbing into those potatoes. Now I'm just gonna give this a quick taste. I'll have Rick taste it. Just,
I'll make some for everybody else.
You like it that much?
Yeah, I eat the whole bowl.
That's really amazing. If you allow this to sit in your refrigerator for at least a couple of hours, before you serve it. That way the potatoes have a chance to absorb all those flavors, take up some of that dressing. I'm gonna go plate this up and I'll be right back and we'll finish this up for you. Well, there we have it, our Amish style potato salad, and I've got to tell you guys, this dressing really knocks it out of the ballpark. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my kitchen and this is your first visit, I would like to welcome you. It's always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, and as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, make sure you go down and hit the bell notification button, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this Amish potato salad a try for Independence Day or any time, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.